Alright, I thought I'd share with you my pre-market analysis again this week. So looking at the Aussie CAD, we're pushing back up. We came up and tested this consolidation area looking left, this structure resistance in this zone, just under the $1 flat level. We've pushed up, we tested once, we came down back into previous structure resistance, become support. We came back down into previous resistance, becomes support, and now we're testing the highs again. So on the underlying trend, we are bullish. Okay, we're testing these highs. If we drop down to the 4-hour chart, you're going to see that we've got a bearish cipher formation at market up at 99.19 is the actual cipher. If we bring on our fib retracement tools, check that. Yep. So we're getting a better entry now. The pattern's still valid, so if you want to enter now, depending on what time this video is out, there's a cipher pattern at market. So if we bring on our, for targets, fib retracement, for targets you're going to have to adjust them slightly because we're at market. But if you were to enter at market now, you're going to get target 1 down at the 382 if you're taking conventional targets, target 2 down at the 618, which is at 98.12. And remember, guys, we teach you exactly how the rules of engagement for these patterns. If that's what you're interested in, we trade these patterns every day. In fact, I've just got the London Live Room trades on now, so you can see we're in this trade. I've got my orders in, so we'll see how this goes later on into the room. I'm just doing my pre-market analysis at the moment, so the room hasn't started, but we'll certainly be coming back to this in the room later, see how we're getting on. So that's the Aussie CAD. So the next thing I want to talk about is the New Zealand dollar, where we've got another advanced pattern formation setting up. I'm already in a trade from last week on this, which I showed you guys, but for those of you who trade advanced patterns, we've got a bearish bat formation. If you can see X to A to B, B to C, and CD completion up at 70.54. So we've just spiked past that. It's still valid at market. You'd be looking for, you'd have to get your stops above X. You'd have to adjust these targets a little bit now because we have pushed up. But if you was to enter at market, then you're looking at stops down at the 382, which is 70.18. And then target 2's down at the 618, down at 69.93. Stops would go above X. I don't know how you guys use your stop loss. I don't know your guys' stop loss rules, but I use that 113 inversion. So looking at stops above 70.82, so you can see you're still getting a nice, more than a 1-to-1 risk reward on this trade. So if you're looking to take this, good luck. The next pair I just wanted to share with you is pound dollar, another pair that's been consolidating. We've been moving sideways in this channel, and what you find in consolidation, as we always say, is pattern formations, because we are moving sideways, and pattern formations are formed as a combination of retracements and extensions in the market. And when we can find the right rules of engagement, well, then we can get involved. So if we drop down to the 240 during this consolidation, you're going to see this bat formation at 134.33. So we bring on our fib retracement just to make sure that's right. 134.33. If we can push up to that level, we can get filled this bat formation. And I'll be looking for conventional targets because we're in consolidation. I won't be looking to use this as an extended move in any way. You guys know that I use pattern formations as a rule, as a reason for entry into a longer term move, depending on where we are in the market. So if we're trending and I'm expecting an extended move, then I'll use these pattern formations as an entry into a longer term move, and I won't take conventional targets. But when we're in consolidation or we're already at a retest and these patterns form, then I'll just take conventional targets. So you can see target 1, 32.93, target 2 down at 32.05. So there's another pattern formation for you to look out for you pattern traders. Quite a few patterns setting up. There's quite a few more as well. I'm not going to go through everything because the video will be too long. I just wanted to share with you what we was looking at this morning. And if you want to come into the room and see us trade this stuff every day, go over to www.tradeempowered.co.uk, which is the link at the bottom here, or the website on the bar at the bottom of the screen, and just come in. It's absolutely free for a week. You can come in, watch me trade live, and I personally don't think that there's a better way to learn other than to watch a professional trader trade live. You know, you're sitting one-on-one with a trader, trading his account live, nothing to hide. You're actually looking at what we're doing. So feel free to come over, and we'll look forward to seeing you in there.